Good day everyone, greetings to our lecturer Mr. Muhammad Fadli Pratama and all my friends. My name is Siska Putrirani. Today I want to share my practical report about SQL programming. This is the first step of my project. As you can see on the screen, I am setting up the environment for using XAMPP for Windows. I access the system through the command prompt and log in as the root user using the command mysql -root. This successfully connected me to the MariaDB monitor, which is the server where all our data will be stored. After connecting to the server, I create a container for my data. I use the command create database. 2024-31187_laporan_1. To make a new database specifically for this report. Then I ran the use command so the system knows that all my next tasks, like creating tables, will happen inside this specific database. Now I designed the table called catalog_film. I defined several columns such as ID_film as the primary key, judul_film or movie title using varchar, and categories like genre and platform_tayang using enum. Using enum is very helpful because it limits the data input to only specific options, which keeps our database organized and prevents mistakes. Sometimes we need to change the table after it's already made. In this step, I use the alter table command to add a new column called code_film. I also add a unique constraint. This is important because it ensures that the very movie has a different code, so we don't accidentally have the same movie listed twice. After the structure was ready, I filled the table with 15 different movie records. I used the insert into command to add movies like Avengers, Parasite, and Interstellar. I include various information for each one, such as the director, platform like Netflix or Disney+, and the release status to make the database look like a real-world system. Finally, I practice how to get specific information from the database. I use a select query to find movies where the status is selesai tayang or finished. I also add order by ID_film, ascending to sort the list from the smallest ID to the largest. As you can see, the system successfully displayed 9 movies that match my criteria, making the report very easy to read. That is all my presentation today. This practical project has helped me understand how to manage and organize data effectively using SQL commands. Thank you very much for your time and for listening to my explanation. I hope this information is useful for all of us. Thank you.